What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today is all about the Mi Band 8, and we're gonna just do a really good and amazing unboxing, and out of it we're gonna just see what's coming throughout the line of the Mi Band 9. So what it's gonna really be throughout the big change, because last year I wanted to do a review of the Mi Band 8, but possibilities were very little due to some things here and there. But today I got my hands on this watch and I decided just to give you guys my thoughts and unboxing and how this watch is gonna be, and what's next throughout the Mi Band series. So let us just get started throughout the video of today. Ooh, there we go. So as you can see, guys, here we have it. This is our bad boy, really well packed, and the version which I have is a China version. This is not a global version. Now there's a little bit difference here when I talk about the China version and the global version. Well, the global version doesn't have the assistant of the China, and I think it does not have the NFC. But for the China version, it both have the NFC and it has the built-in assistant which can work only on China. So that's just the difference between the China version and the global version. Now we're gonna just get started through this watch, unboxing it and check it out, and we see what's packed, because I'm really pumped. We have been unboxing the Mi Band series of the watch, and today we are having the 8 one. So let's get started. So guys, here we have it. This is our bad boy, as you can see, which is really great. We're gonna just do a really great and amazing unboxing, because I unboxed it already, and we're gonna just be opening and see what's come throughout the box. So here we go. Ooh, nice, really cool. So as you can see, this is our box in here. So first thing first, we're gonna see here we're getting a brand new design of the charger. So there's a little bit quite difference between the Mi Band 7's charger and the Mi Band 8 charger. They usually give it a little bit of a difference. Kind of stuff, we're having our Mi Band in here, which is really great thing, and as you can see, it's on already because I turned it on already. And yeah, we're gonna talk about it. Let me just keep it aside first. On this side, you're getting the paperwork. As you can see, really nice and smooth, but it's written in Chinese, and on this side it's written on Chinese. So it's fully on Chinese paperwork. So yeah, I hope you have some translation of that. Here's our bad boy, the watch, really looking great, the Mi Band 8, and you can just tell it throughout the design they made it, which is really amazing. They usually give it a little bit of a differentiation between a newer version and the older version, and this one they've improved throughout many things so far. So we're gonna just see throughout how you use it and stuff like that, which comes really in handy throughout the Mi Band 8. So let's get started. Throughout our watch, which it's really great looking. It's overall different design than the Mi Band 7, the Mi Band 6, and even the Mi Band 5. Throughout here, there's a lot of user experience throughout the user interface too, which they have really changed throughout the way you use it. Now I'm talking about minimalizing or giving it some minimalistic the way to use throughout the setting side and throughout interaction. Well, they just kept it throughout big icons right now, which is really great thing throughout using it. And something which is so great about it, when you swipe throughout the right, you can see there are widgets in here, which is really cool. I like them, but I wish they could just minimize the widgets to not be that much bigger, but to be utilizing a little bit smaller. Quite not bad. Throughout here there's weather, which you have just to connect it throughout the Bluetooth. I don't know why each time it does come this way. And another kind of stuff, you're having your brand new music player, which, to be honest, this has been really redesigned, but I wish for the Mi Band 9 it to be much better. Throughout here you're having the Alipay, since this one it's a variant of China, and you're having the Wixin Pay, which you can use it here throughout paying. So give you variety of stuff, because this one is a China version. And through here there are other settings, which is the DND Find Phone and a shortcut throughout setting side, which is really great. And another kind of stuff, you're back throughout home. So through here, holding it here, you can change through different watch faces depending on what type of watch face you're really enthusiastic about it. But I prefer this kind of brand new watch faces on the app, which it's really amazing. I kind of vibe with it, because even if you're charging it, we're keeping it this way, it stays there and giving you some great and amazing kind of authenticity throughout your watch. So Yeah, right now we're going to be talking about the specification of the Mi Band 8. Well, it has a 1.62-inch AMOLED display with a 600 nits peaks, which is really bigger compared to the Mi Band 7. And through here, it has a detachable silicone straps, and it's really amazing throughout that. It has a 580 ohm water resistance, and it's even having the real-time heart rate monitor and a 24-hour 7 blood oxygen level monitor. It has a sleep tracking, stress monitoring, sports tracking, and VO2 max, step counter, meditation, notification, idle alert, drink reminder, phone finder, weather forecast, music, and camera control. Throughout the battery side, well, it gives you up to 14 days typically used, and it has a sensor of high precision 6-axis sensor, which is really great, and a PPG heart rate sensor. It's even having some ambient light sensor, which can detect throughout the ambient light sensor. Throughout here, it has a Bluetooth version 5.1 BLE, and it's compatible throughout Android 6.0 to iOS 12.0 and above, which is really great thing about the Mi Band 8. The specification of the Mi Band 8, and to be honest, this kind of watch comes really in handy, and the design, it has been really minimalistic, and it has been overall been a great experience throughout the lineup of Mi Band series. Well, I really adore it because they fix a lot of stuff, and it's even having 150 sports mode, which has been increased from the Mi Band 7, which it was 110. Throughout here, everything overall, we all know how Mi Band they are. This one is made for sports activity, but it's lacking something. That means they're lacking GPS built in. So it depends on your device how much you're gonna be connecting it on the sports activity, so as it can utilize throughout. So the Mi Band 9 might be coming with a much high peak throughout the display, and the battery side might be staying much longer compared to the 14 days typically used. And we are believing the Mi Band 9 will be having more features throughout sports mode too, or it might be maintaining it but giving it a little bit different design, but it will just stay the same. On the display side, I believe it will just be the same. It's just the hardware will change a little bit throughout there, and the software. So the funny part about the Mi Band, usually whenever they launch the new one, it comes with a really brand new refresh software. So I believe they might be fixing on that throughout. Perhaps if I have a Mi Band 7, let me say I want to update it to the newer software version, it will be a little bit hectic because it maintains the same software. It does not change. It's not like the way we're using the Pixel watches or Samsung watches. So whenever you're shifting from Wear OS 2 going to the Wear OS 3, there's a big leap throughout the design of the user interface and interaction. So this is just my kind of speculation throughout the Mi Band 9 how it's gonna be. So the main target here will be the battery, the display, a little bit of the nitpickness. It will be like almost 800 perhaps, and another kind of stuff throughout the Mi Band 9 might be the software change overall. So maybe hindering throughout 3 points only. So we're waiting it throughout the April, since the Mi Band 8 came last year around April. So we're thinking the Mi Band 9 we might be getting a teaser throughout March, around March 2024. So let us just hold throughout that and see what's coming. As I hope you enjoyed it throughout the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Mi Band series. To be honest, I really adore the Mi Band series. It's a really good watch for the people who they just don't want too much throughout smartwatch. This is a really good heads up throughout the watch, and you can even sleep with it, which is the benefit throughout using the Mi Band series compared to the other watches, which they're freaking big and it will be just so much hassle through sleeping with it and stuff like that. So that's what's up, guys. Up to the next one. I'll be seeing you guys on the next tech video. I hope you enjoyed throughout this tech of the day, and up to the next one. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, catch you guys on the next amazing tech video, and peace.